For thousands of years, humanity has gazed up at the night sky and asked a haunting question. Is someone out there, looking back at us? Today, with the rapid advancement of space science and technology, that question feels more urgent than ever. We have discovered thousands of planets beyond our solar system, detected mysterious signals from deep space, and observed phenomena that still defy explanation. So the question remains: are aliens real? First, let's step back and look at the bigger picture. The universe contains over 2 trillion galaxies. Each galaxy holds 100 to 400 billion stars. Most stars likely have multiple planets orbiting them. Right pointing arrow. This means the total number of planets in the universe may reach quadrillions. If only 0.000001% of those planets have conditions similar to Earth, there could still be millions of worlds capable of supporting life. So, are we really justified in believing we are alone? On Earth, life emerged billions of years ago, beginning with simple microorganisms, slowly evolving into plants, animals, and eventually humans. Based on what we currently understand, life requires 3 basic ingredients: liquid water, a source of energy, sunlight or internal planetary heat; organic compounds, carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, etc. These conditions are not rare in the universe. Many exoplanets have already been found with water, atmospheres, and orbits within the habitable zone of their stars. So the possibility that life formed elsewhere is very high, even if we have not yet seen it with our own eyes. For decades, scientists have been actively searching for signs of life beyond Earth using rigorous scientific methods. Telescope A, observing exoplanets. Telescopes like James Webb analyze distant planets. Scientists study atmospheric composition for oxygen, methane, and water vapor. Satellite Dish B, searching for radio signals, SETI. Radio telescopes listen to space, looking for artificial signals or unnatural patterns. Rocket C, exploring our solar system. Probes sent to Mars, Europa, Jupiter's moon, and Enceladus, Saturn's moon. These worlds may have subsurface oceans beneath ice. Right pointing arrow. The goal is to detect biological chemistry or simple life forms beyond Earth. Over the years, countless strange aerial phenomena have been reported. Objects moving at speeds beyond known technology. No visible propulsion, heat signatures, or sound. Sudden acceleration, sharp turns, or instant disappearance. Even the U.S. Department of Defense has officially released videos of such encounters. Now referred to as UAPs, unidentified aerial phenomena. However, governments have not confirmed these as alien craft, only that they remain unexplained. Physicist Enrico Fermi once asked a simple but profound question. If the universe is so vast and life is common, where is everybody? This is known as the Fermi paradox, and there are many possible explanations. We are too primitive. Other civilizations may be millions of years ahead of us, using communication methods we cannot detect. We are deliberately isolated. Advanced civilizations may avoid contact to prevent cultural disruption. Signals haven't reached us, or already passed. Space is enormous. Signals take thousands of years to travel. Civilizations may have existed, and gone extinct, long ago. We are truly rare. Intelligent life like ours may be an extraordinary cosmic coincidence. We often imagine aliens as big-headed, green-skinned beings flying spacecraft. But reality may be very different. Extraterrestrial life could be simple microbes, organisms living in acid lakes or frozen oceans, life based on silicon instead of carbon, or even advanced civilizations that evolved into machines, energy-based forms, or non-physical intelligence. Aliens have long appeared in films: E.T., Arrival, Interstellar, Contact, War of the Worlds, literature: H.G. Wells, Arthur C. Clarke, Isaac Asimov, games and popular culture. These stories inspire billions of people, and often motivate scientists to turn imagination into real exploration. Even the discovery of a simple signal would be the greatest scientific shock in human history. A challenge to philosophy, religion, culture, and psychology. A gateway to new knowledge, or potential conflict. That is why some scientists caution against actively broadcasting our presence into space. Because we don't know who, or what, might be listening. The honest answer: we have no definitive proof, but the probability is high. Based on the vast scale of the universe, the abundance of habitable conditions, the non-unique nature of biological evolution, right-pointing arrow, it is scientifically reasonable to believe that life has existed or still exists somewhere beyond Earth. Somewhere in the cosmic ocean, another civilization may be pointing their telescopes toward us, asking the same question. Is anyone out there? Perhaps we are separated not by impossibility, but by time, technology, or a missed signal. Even if we never find them, the search itself has already changed us, expanding our knowledge, sharpening our curiosity, and reminding us to protect our fragile shared home, planet Earth. Because in the end, before we find others, we must first understand ourselves. Globe sparkles.